Bwana awaongoze. Chairman pia ni kijana wa kujituma kutoka pale Manyata constituency.
But I want to give assurance to our fellow citizens that we will not sleep. We will not slumber. We are going to make sure this country becomes and remains a democracy. Look at our positioning as a country. The legality of the Kenyan 13th Parliament is always in question. Never mind, we are now going to have in place as soon as possible an IBC which we believe will be competent. We want to challenge the panel as I look at who is going to be the next chair of IBC, who is going to be the commissioner for IBC. They must come up with men and women of integrity. We are tired of people who end up being chairman and then when they die in infamy. Wow. In infamy. Therefore, this is the time. This country cannot afford another stealing during a general election. It will not happen.